Hello there. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common frustration in C# development within Visual Studio. It's that pesky error, Debug Executable Specified in the Debug Profile does not exist. Let's dive into why this happens and, most importantly, how to fix it. This error usually pops up when Visual Studio can't find the compiled.exe file it expects for debugging. This can be caused by several things. First, make sure your project has actually been built. It sounds simple, but it's easily overlooked. Go to build solution or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+B. Check the output window at the bottom of Visual Studio for any build errors. If there are errors, fix them. The .exe won't be created if the build fails. Second, verify the output path. The output path in your project settings tells Visual Studio where to put the compiled executable. Right-click on your project in the Solution Explorer and select Properties. Navigate to the Build tab. Look for the Output Path or Base Output Path field. Ensure this path is valid and accessible. This is where the .exe should be located after a successful build. Make sure it's a directory that exists and that you have permissions to write to it. A third common cause is an incorrect startup project setting. In your Solution Explorer, right-click on the project you want to debug. Select Set as Startup Project. This tells Visual Studio which project to run when you start debugging. If the wrong project is set as the startup project, Visual Studio might be looking for the .exe in the wrong place. Fourth, check your Debug Profile settings. Click Debug - your project name, Debug Properties. Verify the executable path. This path should point to the actual .exe file of your project. Sometimes, this path can get corrupted or point to a non-existent location. If it's incorrect, browse to the correct .exe file within your project's bin/debug or bin/release folder, depending on your configuration. Fifth, sometimes Visual Studio gets confused. Try cleaning and rebuilding your solution. Go to Build-Clean Solution, then Build-Rebuild Solution. This forces Visual Studio to rebuild everything from scratch, which can often resolve caching issues or other inconsistencies. Finally, if none of the above works, try deleting the bin and obj folders within your project directory. These folders contain intermediate build files that can sometimes cause problems. After deleting them, rebuild your solution. These steps should solve most instances of this error. I hope this helped you get back to coding quickly. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content. Consider supporting the channel through the methods listed in the description. It really helps us to keep creating valuable content for you. See you in the next video.